Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and my New Year's look using the Jeffree Star palette, and just stick with the neutrals. And I kind of want to do maybe a pop of glitter. So yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to dip into my, place it in my crease, and I'm just slowly building this color up. Then next I'm going to dip into Hi Dude. I'm going to place it on my outer V and my inner corner. Next I'm going to take a more smaller precise brush and just blend really well. And then I'm going to pick up some more My and just blend in the edges of the brown. Then I'm going to dip back into Hi Dude, and I'm just building this color up. Then I'm just going back in with My and just blending really well. Next, I'm going to dip into Millions. I'm going to take it on my fingertip. I'm going to place it in the blank space. And then I'm going to take some more brown and then slowly blend the colors together with the glitter. Then next, I'm going to pick up Back and I'm going to place it a little bit above the light pink shade I laid. And next, I'm going to dip into Fast Lane to intensify the look, my inner and outer. Then next up, I'm going to take the Revolution Eye Glistening in Its Fate. I'm going to place it on top of Millions, and then I'm going to blend the brown into it. That way it looks, everything looks blended. Then I'm going to pick up Hi Dude, place it on my lower lash line halfway, and then my inner. Then I'm going to pick up the Eye Glistening and place it in the middle of my eye, and then blend everything out. Then I'm going to take my eyeliner by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to place it on my outer and then my inner. And then next I'm going to take a white eyeliner and place it in the middle. Then I'm going to take Welcome, highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Then I'm going to take my CoverGirl Expedition mascara. And yeah, this is the final look. Hope y'all enjoy this New Year's Eve eyeshadow tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.